currently frying up some tofu, potatoes, onion, and garlic. So this is gonna be like the topping for the pasta for today. Kailangan ko siya i-move para hindi dumikit. And then we have our pasta over here. Meron na siyang tomato, boiled tomato, and then yung pasta. We're gonna add in the sauce later on. Here's the finished product, guys. I have the pasta over here. Tapos meron tayong tofu and potatoes din. Parang topping siya. Bongga. Oh, my sister's here. Hey, hey again. You're here again, bish. Ayan yung itsura, guys, pag tinapping niya siya ng crispy toasted tofu with patatas. Go.
Yum.
Watching It's Judy's Life.
This
Bongga.
is so cool! Like, what is this? Is this like a tablet inside?
I have all the video tabs open. Tapos ang ginagawa ko, I just, reply to all the comments. Kasi medyo madami pa akong hindi na-replyan. So, I'm gonna do that. Yan. So, I started packing for Bohol, and I also started like, digging through my baul, yung mga damit-damit ko dyan. This one, and then that box. Tapos, etong mga to parang Bohol, para sa Bohol to, pero I still need to like organize everything. So right now, I'm just waiting for Pauline again. We're gonna go hit the gym. I'm not sure if we've been hitting the gym for like, siguro every other day kami, and I'm really happy about it kasi ang sarap magpawis talaga ng bonggang-bongga, and I wanna go back to yung parang ski chuvanes doon. So yan. Yeah, wala akong makeup. But I have to be back by 7 p.m. because I had to film for you guys, and I am going to be filming the fresh makeup look. I'm going to be filming the parang travel carry-on chuvanes stuff. And yeah, an ask say for next week kasi aalis kami na Tuesday, so I have to schedule the video to go live. And don't you worry, guys, I'll be editing in Bohol, so every day may vlog, so you can still count on the daily vlogs for next week. While waiting for Pauline, I'm going to slice up some strawberries. Grabe, guys, ang laki nito. Laki bongga, grabe. And yung sa ilalim niya maliliit, pero yung mga taas niya malalaki, so bongga na rin. I love it. Done na ako. Si Pauline late. Late ka, girl.
I'm so tired.
You're so tired? Wala kang ginawa, girl? Anyway.
Pagod ako.
Andiyan ako. Nag-stairs. Favorite ko yung stairs. Tapos yung rowing talaga. Bongga-bongga. Pagod na ako. Papakain na lang kita. Back in the apartment na. Papakain ko na si Pauline. Dahil late ka, kumain ka, I have strawberries. Tapos sabi ko para medyo maasin kasi yung strawberries ko. So meron tayong yung cake na ginawa ko sa Tulaju. And cream. So, papakain ko si Pauline. Iinitin ko tong pasta na niluto kasi pauwi na sila Iza. Dito natin sila mag-dinner. So, I got the shoes na, guys. So, I paid yesterday and then I got them today. And I'm wearing it right now. But I'm kind of scared because this one feels comfy. But this one, ang sikip. Bakit kaya ganon? Oh my gosh. I also received another package, guys. This is from the shop Unicube. And it's super accessible lang, guys. Lalo na sa mga students around Taft Avenue. 3rd floor, University Mall, Taft Avenue, Malate. So you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Unicube PH. I'll have the links down in the information box. And I'm so excited to try these out. Ito yung LA Girls Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in the shade of Fantasy. Ang ganda ng kulay, di ba? Perfect for everyday. So I'm gonna do an OOTD, or no, sorry, an MOTD on this and then review it for you guys. I'll just bring this to Bohol para makita nyo. And then, I did not expect that they would send over the Funk Trunk, the Wood Life. And ito yung shade siya, guys, na wood. Ang bongga, di ba? Oh, I love it. This will be perfect for Bohol. I can't wait to try it out. Bongga. I'm so disappointed. Yun lang sinabi niya. Nope, sis. They don't do refunds. Paano yun? Paano yun? Kapag hindi nga kasha, anong mangyari? You can replace items but no refund. Paano replace kung lahat ng nila yung masikip? If case na masikip, clients just sell it. So she's telling me that I should just sell it. Okay, the owners agreed to do a refund. So right now, I'm packing up the shoes and ibabalik ko sa kanila to since it really doesn't fit me at all. It's not the kind of tightness that I can like, you know, work with. So kailangan ibalik ko siya, and they agreed. They agreed to take it back. Buti na lang. Done with my night shower, guys. So I just really had to asikaso this talaga. I'm showing it in the vlog. Okay, nakapack na siya. Sariling packaging kasi hindi magkasya sa pouch ko ng send. So I'm gonna be shipping this back to the owner on Monday so that they will refund me on Tuesday. So I'm showing it in the vlog para lang may ebidensya na good condition ng shoes, and na-wrap ko siya. And I'm all over the internet, so hindi ako pwedeng magloko or whatever. I'm not a focus buyer. So I'm just really disappointed in myself actually. Kasi size 9, hindi ko naman alam na, I actually thought na yung size 9 nila is, you know, universal na. Size 9 talaga forever. Pero, yeah, next time siguro, I'll ask for like yung kung anong CM, Chuvanes, yung mga ganong chupa. So, yan. Kasi first time ko mag-order ng shoes online. So, siguro may mali din on my part and I got too excited. So, yeah, if ever you guys encountered any problems with ordering like online yung mga shoes, and let me know kung nakakuha ng refund or whatever, kasi wala lang, hindi ako makakapayag na hindi siya ma-refund, guys, kasi it's 1,250. It's money, no? Anyway, you guys, I'm going to end the vlog na. I'm actually gonna film pa, like 2 videos lang. Tapos matutulog na ako. Tomorrow we have church in the morning, and then lunch with the family, and then afternoon I have like pampering session, mani-pedi for Bohol. So kailangan pangit ng nails ko. Anyway, that's it, guys. I'll be posting about super love ko to, grabe. They're super perfect. Funk Trunk. I'll have the address of the shop in the information box for you guys. And I just watched this one. Ang ganda nito. Wala akong ganito. First time kumakuha nito. So I'm gonna do an OOTD or an MOTD and post it on Instagram. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And yeah, gym session was okay. Super bongga. Sobrang gusto ko talaga yung rowing Chuvanes. Next time, I'll vlog kung ano yung mga machine na ginagamit ko dun. So, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!